Hey guys, welcome to another segment of Wheels Boutique's YouTube page. My name is Benjamin Bermudez. I'm the owner of Wheels Boutique. Welcome to our building as always. We got something really cool and special today. This is one of 30 Techart GT Sport kits. So what's different in the regular Techart kit, this comes with a few cool options. Full carbon fiber aero hood, full carbon fiber front bumper with new aero ducts on the side, all carbon fiber, which is a big upgrade from the regular GT Street kit. Carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber mirror covers, carbon fiber wing, roof wing, side panels, and full carbon fiber rear diffuser. Also some cool interior upgrades. We have awesome custom-made carbon fiber door sills, carbon fiber steering wheel upgrade with any colors you wanted. Customer chose black and red with stitching. Few more options notating the one of 30 with their logos and paneling. This setup is set up with a set of Anarchy S3X1s. 2122s and a two-tone brush with brush gun metal finish, matched up with some Michelin tires, also Techart suspension, full Techart exhaust, which is really cool on this kit. Comes with a not illuminated, but reflective Techart logo in the back. Looks really awesome when somebody's behind you at night, lights up incredible. If you guys want, let's go take it for a ride and you can hear what she sounds like. Wow, I hope you guys enjoyed the way that sounded. It is amazing, looks amazing, one of 30. Another cool fact is we're one of 5 North America's Techart dealers. So look us up. We're South Florida, obviously, but there's only 5 Techart dealers in the United States. We're one of them. Very proud to be on their website and be part of Techart USA. Whatever you guys need, please give us a DM or shoot us a text, email, whatever you need. We're easy to find. Thank you for watching Wheels Boutique.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Noah, and right next to me is as much power as you can practically pack in this tiny little silhouette. What you're looking at is a 992 Turbo S with a full Techart Aero kit and a couple of other goodies. We have done this build before. I mean, we've seen it multiple times. From what I recall, there's the white one with the Anarchy's AN33s. There's also the Shark blue one. That one has the HRE P204s. Those are done in a satin black. And then there's my personal favorite, the chalk Techart that we did with Anarchy S3X3s. And those were done in a satin black center with a matching chalk barrel and lip. And I mean, that thing was one of the fastest Tecarts we have ever built. But I'm gonna say it, this one might just be faster. And that's actually where we're gonna start there today, in the performance package. So what you get from the factory is a twin turbocharged flat 6 that does about 640 horsepower with some 520 pound-feet of torque, a 0 to 60 of 2.6 seconds, and a top speed of 205 miles per hour. But with all the performance upgrades that we have done, we're looking at something a little bit higher. We have taken out both turbos and have sent them over to pure turbos. The good folks over there have pretty much machined out the housing and completely replaced the internals. And what that pretty much means is that you have more power in the exact same OEM turbo housing. The next thing that we had to switch over was the intercooler. Traditionally, these cars come with an intercooler that has these plastic ends or plastic tubing on the sides. That's the first thing that gives out when you're trying to add more boost. Therefore, we switched it over to a CFS intercooler, completely machined out of aluminum. That thing is just beautiful. And we then went for a full M Engineering tuning kit on this. So we have an M Engineering tune, and we also have an M Engineering PDK tune. And what that pretty much does is that it replaces the virtual gears, allowing this car to technically shift faster. Going over the whole aero kit that is offered by Techart is this beautiful front fascia, completely redone. Every single one of these pieces actually comes separated and they can all be painted in whatever you would like, which is really cool about Techart. Then there's this two-piece side skirt, and I mean, that's gnarly. Then my second favorite part of this whole kit has to be this side vent, technically. This side vent is opened up a little bit more aggressive than the traditional OEM one, and when you look at it from the top, it's such an aggressive angle. I mean, it looks absolutely amazing. Next has to be the rear diffuser. That rear diffuser has to be my favorite part, especially with those fins. And as you can see here, we have a fin outlet to let those turbos breathe. Next, we have done a cap bypass along with a full Akrapovic exhaust. You can tell because you have these beautiful black tips poking out the rear. And finally, we have done a hot set of wheels. What you're looking at is HRE S104 SCs. We have done this wheel before on the 296 GTB in red, as well as the brush stack clear set that we did on the yellow SF90. These are actually a full polished center with a polished lip. And when you get to really look at this wheel, it's a two-piece construction. You can tell because of the hardware with these floating spokes with the tiniest bit of tolerance. I'm still amazed by how they do that every single time. And the machining process on this, how much is cut out of this wheel to make it lightweight and still strong in construction, honestly, it baffles me. You're looking at a traditional signature fitment, so that means 22s in the rear with 21s in the front, 335 Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, and then over here, we are looking at 255s. To tie it all together, Techart center locks. And there you have it, the Wheels Boutique signature fitment for the Techart 992 Turbo S. But now it's time to hear from you guys. Let us know what you think down in the comment section below. As always, a like rating is appreciated. Smash the subscribe button. My name is Noah, and from all of us here at Wheels Boutique, I thank you for watching.